अब देखते हैं आंसर विद सॉल्यूशन। तो पहले देखते हैं क्वेश्चन 3, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंफेरियल स्कीम करस्पॉन्ड टू abduction? So this 3 is given option A, B and C. Correct answer is the abduction for all men are mortal. Socrates is man and therefore Socrates is a man. So this is the correct answer. That is option C. Explanation deduction means moves from general rule to specific conclusion. Example like all men are mortal. Socrates is man. Men are mortal. So therefore Socrates is a mortal. So valid deduction. Deduction क्या हुआ? General to specific हुआ. That's why Socrates is man. Now induction means move from specific observation general. Socrates is man. Socrates is mortal. Therefore all men are mortal. So specific to general. All men. Specific general to specific deduction, like all men to Socrates. Now abduction moves from an observed effect to possible cause or explanation. Best hypothesis, like all men are mortal, Socrates is mortal, therefore Socrates is a man. So this is a kind of possible cause or explanation. This is the abductive reason because it assumes a likely cause but does not guarantee correctness. Now question 6 is there. Now how we found the answer? So an inductive logic program, the goal is to learn hypothesis, set of logical rules that explain the positive example while being consistent with the background knowledge. The algorithm proceeds iteratively by refining hypothesis based on example. Like initial hypothesis, mal X. So background is give milk gorilla, give milk elephant, give milk wolf. They have 4 legs elephant, 4 legs wolf and predator wolf. Positive example is mammal gorilla, then mammal elephant and mammal wolf. So first iteration for top down I'll be search. So first positive example is mammal gorilla in this case. So the algorithm will try to specialize the initial hypothesis mammal X to explain this example. Select the first positive example mammal gorilla. Refine the hypothesis. The algorithm will look for background knowledge that match the example mammal gorilla. So what is the background is give milk gorilla. So from the background give milk gorilla is true. Okay. So therefore the algorithm specializes the hypothesis to mammal X to give milk X. This is the rules that state if an entity X give milk then X is a mammal. So this is the first iteration and this is the update the hypothesis on X, the give milk X is added to the set of hypothesis. So hypothesis set after the fourth iteration is this. Mammal X to give milk X. This is the final answer. Now move to the question 6. This is the figure is given. So how we can find what is the value of X, Y, Z and W. So CBI system cycle with more detail like first retrieve, then reuse, then revise and retain. So just you have to compare this chart, this figure flow chart with this particular given example. So apply to case. Apply to case means it's a reuse. Okay, so apply to case is here. Reuse. So X is there. So first option is X, whatever is there. So we have to select this reuse. Then Y is store. Here's to Y is there. So Y is store. Store means retain. So store means retain. Case based to relevant case. There is a retrieval. And relevant based to revise case. That is a revise. So relevant based to revise base. This is the revise. So W is a revise. So this is the way we have to complete this particular answer. Then question 7, dynamic program approach to calculate this particular figure. So read forward search for shortest path. So first we have to start from S. So S to A, B and C possible. 2, 4, 6 is the move. So cost 2 is the smallest. So select this 2. Then from A. Now from A to D and E is possible. So 6 and 9 is there. 6 and 10. Okay, 6 and 10. Okay, 10 is there I think for this one. So from selection of 6 and 10, select smallest 6. So first A to D. Now from D to T is 21. Only one path. So D to T is 21. So now reach the destination. So now add the total cost 2, 6, 21. That is a 29 is the correct answer. Now this is question 8 for Monte Carlo reinforcement learning method. In this case, E1 A R1, then E to B R2, B to A R minus 2, A to B R2 and B is terminated with R minus 1. So this is the first case. So now we will estimate the value of state A and B using a first visit Monte Carlo method. So identify the first visit and calculate the returns. So episode 1, this is the episode 1. So E1, whatever given is this right in here. So now first visit A at first step. and first visit B. Like this is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the third step. So in third step, we have visit first as B. So now calculate the total return from first visit. So for first visit of A, step 1, sequence of reward after first visit. So here 1, then 2, then -2, then 2, and then -1. Now for first visit of B at step 3. So here first visit at step 3. So now sequence of reward after first visit of B. So -2, 2, and -1. So total return is -1 in this case and total 2 in this first case. Now for episode 2, similar kind of calculation. First visit of B at step 1. Here step 1 at step 1 is B. Now first visit of A at step 2. So now calculate the total return from the first visit. So for first visit of B at step 1, that is a -2, 2, and -1. There is a -2, 2, and -1. And for A, now 2 and -1. So 2 and -1. So for B, -2 plus 2 minus that is a -1. And this is a A1. Now compute the estimated value. So whatever we have found in earlier case, we have to estimate it. So return for A, estimate value of A, 2 from E1, 1 from E2. So now V is equal to 2 plus 1 divided by 2, 1.5. And estimate value of B, that is equal to V of B. So that is -1 from E1 and -1 from E2. So -1 plus -1, that is divided by 2, this is -1. So final answer is V of A is equal to 1.5 and V of B is equal to -1. That is the correct answer. Now this is a question 9. This is a given. Now we have to find the solution for this particular answer. We know the direction N, S, E, and W. So now for using Q-link update rule, there is equation QSA plus alpha into R in bracket R plus gamma maximum of Q S dash A dash minus QSA, where S equal to S dash. If alpha 1 and gamma 1 is given, that is equal to, in that case QSA is equal to R, equivalent to R plus Q S dash A dash. Now we will compute Q value for the given episode. So for first 12 E 30, this is from 12 E, that is the east side. So E and 30. So now S equal to 12 E A. Here A is the east, then S dash next is the 13, and A dash is the same E operation. Now in that case reward is 1. Here R is 1, yellow color. Okay, 12 30. Here R is 1. So reward is 1. So now R is equal. Put this value Q12 E, that is equal to R, Q S dash is so 1, Q13 1. Now 13 E. 13, that means E and 13. So here 0. So 0 is this. So Q12 E 12 E 13, that is equal to 1. So Q12 E is equal to 1. Now similarly we have to find Q13 E 14. That is same way 1. QE 14 14E, that is equal to -10. In this case R is -8. Why R is -8? Because here this value 14 to 15. Here reward is -8. That is -8. So -8 and Q4 and Q15E. Q15E, this is -2. So now -8 -10. So similarly now episode 2. Now 12 north 7. So this is a 12 north 7. Okay, so this is the indication. Now north 7 is 0. So now north 7, R is 1. Here yellow, so R is 1. Okay, so now put all this value in this particular equation, you get the 1. Similarly for 7 east 8. Now 7 move from, this is from north, now this is east. So 7 east 8. So now 7 east 8, put these values, then find Q7 is equal to 1, then Q8 is equal to 1, and Q9E, that is equal to 10, because Q9 in this case R is equal to +8. Here R is equal to red, here green is there. So in green this is a R equal to 8. So 8 and Q10E, this is a Q10E. So Q10E, that is equal to 2. So Q10 is equal to 2. So finally Q is, so the correct answer option A. It's 1 1 -10, 1 1 1 and 10. Thank you.